All right, so Hurricane Matthew. This is Highway 441 south of Gainesville. We're at the south end of Paynes Prairie, and our wind bands are just now kicking up. We're getting some 35, maybe 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but for the most part it's just a lot of rain. Take you through Paynes Prairie. That'll give you an idea how hard the rain's coming down when we get out there. And we're driving northbound, so currently driving 52 miles an hour, and we can feel the wind kind of pushing us a little bit. Using a GoPro camera to capture this. Might stop up here at the lookout area in the middle, maybe get outside, kind of see what it looks like outside, standing on the side of the road. See, the wind isn't too heavy down here. This is in the flattest part of the county. We'll get outside and we'll take a look. Maybe 20 miles an hour rain. There's a gust. Feel it picking up every now and then when the band comes through, heavier rain. But for the most part, right now anyway, it's 12:15. It's tame. The wind shut the door for me.